computer, and where is anybody in this process ever talking to the doctor? So we are going to deal with that particular aspect, and it may be something as simple as an electronic signature from the hospital side, and that's fine.
I think they have electronic signatures at NCIDC.
I don't know, the one I saw was from Baylor, and it was an email from a case manager who was an LVN.
Oh, yeah.
And no, we can't take an order from you, I'm sorry, you know. But we're going to tactfully work on that because apparently that was part of the process here in the past. But I got really concerned about the home health nurses taking orders that were faxed from the pharmacist without them ever having a doctor's signature. So I got on the website a couple days ago and searched through the Board of Nursing. Yeah, and there is a position statement that I will give to everybody.
Oh, good. Okay.
That we can't, an RN managing a drug for a patient can take an order from the pharmacist. So that was a huge relief on my part. And I think Jennifer wants to talk to you guys just for a minute. Susan, thank you so very much.
Thank you. That was wonderful.
Okay.
That is my spiel. I'm keeping these for next week.
Oh, I was going to ask you, okay, you talking about, okay, when they're doing the hookup for the Milrow to go home at the bedside, and actually the patient's doing it himself. Now, they do not, you know, you just unhooking, that's mine, I'm going to take it with me.
Which is it?
What?
6,000.
Can I?
And we got her some too.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should keep that, so then when you
It's a 6,000.
get rid of that gym
It's a
stuff
little-
you have.
Well, yeah, this is from my show and tell.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's a
So-
6,000. So remember, the screens are going to be a little bit different.
Okay, this is not what we're using now.
Correct.
But at least it's similar.
Yeah, the screen's
Close
just
enough, yeah.
small.
All right. Okay, so what I was going to say, so now you said that they are not, they are or are they not, right, at the point, we got everything together, they're ready to hook themselves up. We're off of the hospital's Milrow. Are they failing this before they're hooking up ours?
Yeah, what
I
I've seen people do, what I've seen the nurse do, no, what I've seen the nurse do, that's what I was saying. They'll draw back blood wasted.
Oh,
They'll prime the extension, put it in, screw it on, and flush it. No, they don't give them a bolus, they pull back 10 cc, throw it away.
So they have to weigh the
Oh,
hospital
okay.
concentration because it's different from this.
Right, I gotcha. Okay.
I don't have anything to say. We're recording.